Microsoft, Google, and Apple have all released patches to protect users from a spyware allegedly developed by Israeli developer Kandiru that has been sold to governments. In a report, Toronto's Citizen Lab said that the spyware could infect and monitor smartphones running both Android and iOS, Macs, PCs, and even cloud accounts. Microsoft said in the blog post that the spyware was used to target over 100 high-profile victims, including politicians, journalists, and activists. Microsoft has released 2 patches for Windows, while Google and Apple have also released patches for their Chrome and Safari browsers. Users are advised to download the latest security updates for all their devices and keep them up to date. Mobvoi has launched the TicWatch GT8 smartwatch, which features a 1.55-inch rectangular display and a 260 mAh battery with 10 days of claimed battery life. The smartwatch also comes with 14 sports modes and continuous skin temperature, SpO2 and heart rate monitoring, along with respiration, stress levels and sleep monitoring. The TicWatch GT8 also gets 5 ATM water resistance and is available for Rs 4,799 from Amazon. The upcoming Realme Pad has been revealed by tipster OnLeaks in collaboration with 91 Mobiles. The tablet will feature a 10.4-inch display with a single selfie camera, while the back features a single rear camera. The Realme Pad can be seen with a flat-edged design. The tablet will feature 4 speakers along with a USB port. There is also an inbuilt stylus housed at the back. Earlier leaks have suggested that the Realme Pad will offer a 7100 mAh battery. There is no official announcement for the release date or the price of the tablet yet. The Realme Buds Q2 Neo will launch in India on July 23rd, the company has confirmed. Realme claims the 2 wireless earbuds will offer 20 hours of battery life with the charging case. Powered by 10mm drivers, the earbuds will also feature a game mode with a low latency of 88 milliseconds. The Realme Buds Q2 Neo will also include touch controls on the earbuds for music playback, starting and ending calls, and entering the game mode. In an interview to CNET, OnePlus R&D head Kinder Liu said that the upcoming OnePlus Buds Pro will feature adaptive noise cancellation. Using 3 microphones, the true wireless earbuds will be able to tune the amount of noise cancellation needed from 15 decibels to 40 decibels. He also said that the buds would feature a battery life of 28 hours with ANC on or 38 hours with ANC off. The earbuds will also feature walk charging. The OnePlus Buds Pro are all set to be unveiled alongside the OnePlus Nord 2 on July 22nd. Nintendo took to Twitter to officially dismiss any rumors of an upcoming more powerful Switch console, which fans took to calling the Switch Pro. In a statement, Nintendo said that the upcoming OLED model revision of the Switch is the only console it currently plans to release. The company also said that it does not earn an increased profit margin from the OLED revision of the Switch, contrary to rumors. The revised OLED model of the Nintendo Switch will release on October 9th and will cost around Rs 26,000 in the US.